Welcome. In front of me I have the Honor 400 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could use a paperclip, strain one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right here. This one is looking a little bit damaged, but whatever. So grabbing your tool, you want to push it in, and you can see that it pushes out the tray. Enough for you to just pull it out with your fingers, and on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards, one on each side. Place the cards on the tray with the chip side upwards, like so, and make sure it's clipped in place correctly. They do have retention brackets to keep it in place, so it shouldn't be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. And from there you can insert it back into your phone, and it should start working right away. Let's give it a moment. There we go. As you can see, it's automatically prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. And once I do, it will unlock the SIM card, and obviously you can now use it. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.